Saludos, greetings. My name is Yubelkis Montalvo and I am the Executive Director of the HETS Consortium. And I would like to share with you a presentation about the student services that HETS offers free of charge to invite you to use them. But what is HETS? We are the first and only bilingual consortium dedicated to serving the needs of higher education, and we bring together universities and colleges located in the United States, Puerto Rico, and Latin America. The HETS Board of Directors is the highest authority and is constituted of the presidents of our member institutions. Our board members meet twice a year to establish the strategic plan and services of HETS. We invite you to visit our website, hets.org, to find information about our services, our members, news, among other topics. Also, on the homepage, you will find information about our upcoming events and our most popular or featured publications and services. You can find our student services under the Student Placita menu. In the webinars link, you can see the information and register to participate free of charge, which granted certificates of participation. In the Student Leadership Showcase link, you will find information about our annual event with recognized speakers and innovative student projects. Likewise, under the online resources link, you can find the free access to the Peterson test prep. To access, click on the name of your institution and enter your password. If you don't know your institution password, please send us an email to info@hets.org. Once in the homepage, you can browse in English or Spanish to practice more than 100 practice tests like the LSAT, NCAT, and NCLEX, among others. For example, at the Improve Your Score and Prepare for Graduate School menu, you can find the graduate tests like the GRE. In addition to access and practice the tests, named here as course, you can download the ebook to get prepared for the test free of charge. When you access the test, to answer its questions and submit your answers, you receive a report that allows you to review all of your answers and which one were incorrect and why. Also, under the vocational test prep menu, you will find many other tests like the NCLEX, PN, and RN for nursing. Another service is the scholarship search tool under the Find a School menu, where you can find information about scholarships from technical degrees to master's and doctorate degrees. Also, under online resources at the Student Placita, you can find free access to the Peterson Career Prep. To access, enter the same password of your institution. And remember, if you don't know the password, send an email to info@hets.org. This menu is focused on preparing you for your job search and advancing your career goals. Under Career Tools menu, you will find helpful resources with access to the Career Assessment tool that will help you define the career that best aligns with your interests and skills. Upon its completion, you receive an analysis with recommendations for possible career paths, including the education needed and estimated salary you could earn. It also has a tool to create your resume and cover letters that can be downloaded in different formats, and a job search engine divided into the public and private sector. The private area connects you with Indeed, where you can filter your search by job type, internships, full-time job, salary, among others. Also has a virtual career library that provides tutorials on career change, job search, and salary negotiations, among other topics. The Student Placita also offers a repository of free courses available to improve your English language skills. In addition, you can access a repository of tools and resources classified in different topics in English and Spanish. Another service HETS offers to students under the Student Placita is the Ambassador Program, where students are selected by their institutions to promote HETS services at their campus, as you will see in this photos. Also, under the Student Passport menu, you can access a catalog focused on promoting their student mobility among our member institutions. Likewise, the Student Passport new edition is scheduled for June 2025, inviting students to enjoy academic experience with more than 10 HETS member institutions in New York and New Jersey, similar to the Student Passport held in Puerto Rico in September 2024. In addition, HETS offers students the opportunity to present their outstanding work that integrates the use of technology at our Best Practices Showcase annual conference. To conclude, did you like our services? Great! We invite you to use them by clicking on hets.org and to share them with your colleagues and friends. For more information, follow us in the social media of your preference. We are in Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube at hets.org. And you can also contact us by phone or email. We are here to serve you and we wish you the best in your academic goal. Thank you.